Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to filter your Steam library games by genre or hardware compatibility. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will take you to your complete game collection where you can see all the titles you own. Now, in the upper left area, you'll notice an advanced filtering option button located right beside the search bar. Go ahead and click on it. This button opens up a powerful filtering menu that lets you organize your games in multiple ways, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through hundreds of titles. Let's start with filtering by genre. Look for the genre section within the filtering menu. Below it, you'll see different options including action, adventure, casual, indie, massively multiplayer, racing, RPG, simulation, sports, and strategy. These categories cover pretty much every type of game available on Steam. Simply check the box beside any genre you want to filter by, and here's the best part. The game list will update automatically to show only games matching your selected filters. This means you can instantly narrow down your library to just the types of games you're in the mood to play without any extra clicks. Now, if you want to filter based on hardware compatibility instead, look for the hardware support section. Below it, you'll find two drop-down menus including gamepad support and Steam Deck support. These options are incredibly useful if you want to see which games work with specific controllers or devices you own. For instance, click on the gamepad support drop-down menu. Inside, you'll see options for Xbox controller, DualShock controller, DualSense controller, and Steam Input API. This tells you exactly which controllers are compatible with your games. Additionally, you'll see different options such as controller preferred, full controller support, VR, and non-VR games. These categories help you understand not just if a game works with a controller, but how well it's optimized for that experience. Just check the box beside any category to filter by hardware compatibility. Once again, the game list will update automatically to show only games matching your selected filters. This makes it incredibly easy to find games that work perfectly with whatever hardware setup you're using, whether that's a specific controller, VR headset, or Steam Deck. And there you have it. You've successfully filtered your Steam library by genre and hardware compatibility, making it much easier to find the perfect game for any situation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.